Let's look at the absolute value function. I know we don't like absolute values. That was made painfully obvious when I had to grade that first page. Oh, no, he didn't.
You just did.
Yeah, I just did. This is my absolute value function. This is one of the best guys to graph.
Yeah.
Kimberly's like, oh yeah, it is.
I love that.
So if I plug in these values that we love to plug in, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. There's no restriction on this domain. You can plug in anything you want to. What's the absolute value of -2? Absolute value of -1? 0, 1, 2. So when you plot these points, it's everything that you thought it would be, right? You guys remember that nice V shape from before? You plug in 3, you get 3. You plug in 4, you get 4, and so on. See, I like to put points out as far as possible. That way, whenever I make my graph, I know that I have to go through these points. That helps me remain accurate. I mean, I think I'd be accurate within an inch on a graph. Now, looking at this guy, do you see some special things about this? Some special names we need to know?
Special name.
It does have a vertex. Did I hear someone say it has an axis of symmetry?
Yeah, Colin over here.
Go, Colin. It's your birthday. Probably not, though. So we do have an axis of symmetry. Which is great because what I see on one side, I flip it over and I get this guy. Right? And so you see on the computer generated graph, you see the exact same thing. Now, the beauty part about graphing this guy when we start shifting things up, down, left, and right is that you have these straight segments here. And when these guys are straight, it's really easy, as opposed to having a curve and having it fit through the points. You get straight pieces, it works out very, very nicely for you.